Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Block Site Access. This is the extension specifically designed for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this resource, of this extension indicate that it can help you boost your productivity temporarily blocked by distracting web resources. But the trouble is that this extension actually operates as adware. If it gets installed, it may start displaying the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. To remove this extension, access the menu of your Google Chrome, go to More Tools, then Extensions, so disable and remove this extension if you find it. Finally, to make sure that the computer is free of other threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com and download it, install it, and start researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.